winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home.
Good night and welcome to Vlogmas day 13. I realized that I have not even said good morning and welcome to Vlogmas. It's just been such a long day, and for the past few days y'all, I had like a lot going on. Like actually sitting here, I'm gonna do my skincare, my full routine, gonna get into it, probably watch a short little show, and then really push into editing and reading. Like that's my night. Welcome to Vlogmas day 14. It is currently after lunch. Let's talk about food. Let me tell you all what I had this morning. So I had a doubles on the spot. Then I bought a piece of sada roti and buri. I had a piece of that. I bought 2 pieces of corn roll and I just cut it up in like bite-sized pieces. So I had 1 piece of that. Didn't really have any lunch. Actually didn't have lunch at all. So I'm having 2 pieces. This is the bite-sized piece that I'm talking about. This is what we want. 2 pieces of the corn roll, and then I started eating that. Like I took a bite, right? And then I felt like having fruit with salt and pepper. So we have Portugal and a pomerac there. I just cut the top and bottom. We have one pomerac left, so we edit it out. We're taking a break from work, so I'm gonna watch a show. It's our lunch hour. We headed out to do some quick errands and then get back to work. I have a package to collect at City Post, the nearest one to me. Y'all, this is I think so. I ordered 2 things not recently, a couple months ago. And they state that international shipping. So they do international shipping, right? But the thing is, this is not the first time that I've gotten something. When they say they do international shipping, they use United States Postal Service, right? They don't use like DHL or any other like courier. So it goes straight to Trinidad and Tobago Postal Service, which takes so freaking long. It takes a couple months actually, but no, it really does take a couple months. But the thing is, when I do get it, I literally have to pay about like $10 and $12, $6, $7 for something, you know. So that's a great thing. Like you don't have to pay a lot to clear it, but we got the goods. We out of bright ideas. The place is so hot. We still had to go TT Post, which I'm hurrying to as soon as possible. I want a coffee. I really want a coffee, but I don't want to get Starbucks. I really want to get Rituals. To be honest, I'm a Rituals girly. But the thing is, to be honest, Rituals, if y'all watching this, y'all need a location that is right off like the highway or one of the main roads, and y'all need a drive-through. To be honest, Rituals, Prestige, whoever in charge, you'll need a convenient something like Starbucks, because I just want it, but I have to go like where? Like if you're going Marabella, you have to go straight down in the like plaza thing. If you're San Fernando, it's like in San Fernando itself in the thing. Most of the stuff I actually went to get something from stuff from my parents' tree. Gonna add like green to the tree this year, like add more green basically. We usually do a lot of colors, like a lot of red. I think one year I tried to do like more blue, but like my parents love colorful everything, so I think I'm gonna try to do a green team this year. If we can do green and red, that'll be good.
Step with every ornament we got, no stocking time. You know we're flowing from the top. And I hear sleepers bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt you're all I want. All I wanted was you. 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 And I hear you sleeping.